Hey, it's Jane, and congratulations. You're just two simple steps from unlocking your entire massive affiliate success kit. It's nearly 4K worth of value. Here's exactly what to do next. Step 1, click the button below this video. It will take you directly to the official site to create your free Offerlab account. Step 2, this part is very important. I've just sent you an email with the subject line, your $3,985 bonus package and next steps. Please be sure to double check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it. After you sign up for Offerlab, simply reply to that email with your sign up receipt. Forwarding their welcome email is the easiest way. This is how we verify your sign up and securely send your private bonus link. Once we get your reply, we'll send you the access link to everything: the 26K playbook, the email campaigns, the funnel blueprint, all of it. So that's it. Click the button, then reply to my email. Go ahead and get started now, and I'll see you on the inside.